Chapter 6. Introduction to Java. Java is a simple, general-purpose, class-based object-oriented programming language originally developed by James Gosling and released in 1995 as a core component of Sun Microsystems Java platform. It uses the bytecode, which means it uses compiler and interpreter both and generate a code by which it can run on any system. It has following characteristics. Java is simple, object-oriented programming language which is easy to learn in many colleges and universities. It is a platform-independent language, that is, it can run on any platform irrespective you are working with Windows, Mac or Unix. It is a language which has a characteristic to write once and run anywhere. Java is a secure language, that is, can be prevented by hackers. Java is a case-sensitive language. Introduction to BlueJ. BlueJ is a Java development environment that was designed at Monash University, Australia, explicitly as an environment for teaching introductory object-oriented programming. To install BlueJ, first install JDK and then BlueJ from bluej.org. Starting BlueJ. Click on Start button. Click on All Programs. Click on BlueJ. A window appears. Start a new project by clicking Project menu and New Project option. The New Project dialog box appears. Enter the project name and check the project location and folder. Click on the Create button. You will see window which has a project icon. Click to read the project text file if desired. Click on the New Class button in Project Toolbar. A dialog box appears. In the dialog box, write the class name in the space provided and click OK button. Double-click the class or right-click on it and click Open Editor. The following window, Editor window, will open up. Delete the code not required and start writing the program as desired. Write the code as required and click Compile button. If there are no syntax errors present in the code, then click Close button. Right-click on the Hello class, designed by you and select the option Void Main String to run the program. A new dialog box will appear. Just click OK button to see the output. The output will appear. Class Hello. First, we always declare a class by using the class keyword, then any name. Example, class Hello. Analyzing this example given, let's see and understand the syntax of first program created by you. Curly braces. The entire definition of class is done within the open and closed curly braces. This marks the beginning and end of the class definition block. Public static void main, string args. It is a main method from where the program will begin its execution. All the Java applications should have one main method. Public. The public keyword is an access modifier. It indicates that the class member can be accessed from anywhere. Static. The static keyword allows the main method to be called without the need to create an instance of the class. Void. The void keyword tells the computer that the method does not return any value when it is executed. Main. The main is a method which performs a particular task, and it is the point from which all Java applications start. String args. The string args is the parameter that is passed to the main method. System.out.println. This line displays on the screen whatever is written within double quotes, followed by a new line. Using data types. There are two kinds of data types present in Java language. Primitive data types. They are data types that are built into Java language. There are 8 primitive data types which are given below. Data type. Description. Size and width. Byte. Byte length integer 8. Short. Short integer 16. Int integer 32. Long. Long integer 64. Float. Single precision floating 32. Double numbers 64. Char. Double precision floating 16. Boolean. Point number 1. Exploring more examples. Design a program to find the sum of two numbers. Open BlueJ screen and make a new class called sum. Double-click to open editor window. Compile the following class by clicking Compile button. If the code is without any errors, then click the Close button. Run the program to see the output. Design a program to find the square of a number. Open BlueJ screen and make a new class called Square under the same project. Type the following code under the class called Square. Now compile the class by clicking Compile button. Run the program to see the output. Features of BlueJ. BlueJ provides you powerful features for programming. It provides menu-driven window approach. It provides you sample programs in window after you add new class. It provides fast compiling environment. Debugging of errors is easily possible. Projects can be imported from other environments. It makes the base to JDK 1.3 or higher versions. It is a platform independent.